Okay, class. First day of school, dahil first day of school, magboboto tayo ng president, vice president, secretary, at di lang secretary, muse at escort. Sige po, ma'am. Sinong iboboto mo? Ako, sinong iboboto ko? Ako for muse. Okay. Okay. Vote natin ang president. Ma'am, I nominate Trisha for president. Hala, ba't ako, Trisha? Bobote kita mong escort mo sino, kahit sino. Basta pangit. Trisha for president. Vice president naman tayo.